Hello dear shotgun lovers, this is Said from Ferrochi Armed Shotgun Company. In this video, I want to introduce the DB710 model double barrel shotgun of Ferrochi Arms. This model, DB700, has a walnut bust stock and forend, and its barrel length is 61 cm. It has a black chrome cover steel receiver and barrel with mobile shock. This single trigger shotgun has a safety button here. As you can see, there is a wonderful engraving on its buttstock, and we can engrave here whatever you want. We have other caliber and barrel length options in this model. And now let's all have a test shot together of this model. For more information, you can visit our website, download our catalog, or contact us by email and WhatsApp. At the end of the video, we don't forget to say our motto: defend yourself, save the world.